Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. I am transitioning between school and work and going full-time and part-time, so I haven't really had a lot of time to think about videos, but I did want to give the Kylie Cosmetics Kybrow kits a try. So I thought that we could do that in this video, and then I have a couple of hair videos planned in the next 2 weeks. Don't hold me to the 2-week thing, but I will be trying to film them in the next 2 weeks for all of the people who are interested in the hair content as well. So I'll go ahead and jump right into this. I was such an idiot. I ordered what I thought was the pomade and realized after the fact that I got the stick. It's the Brow Duo is what I ordered, thinking it was the pomade. Don't ask me why. And of course all of the actual kits were sold out, of course, so I ended up paying way more than I should have, which is always a fun feeling. Oh, and I got these in medium brown. I'm not quite sure what my shade is, but the cool brown looks too cool toned, and then the darker brown looked too dark. So the Brow Duo has the little spoolie brush and the little stick with the color, and this is what I ordered thinking it was pomade for some reason. And it also comes with a brow gel. Woo! She's wet. So I got that when I really wanted to get the pomade, so I ended up placing 2 orders like a lunatic. God, this is huge. That's a big pot of stuff there. And in addition to those, I got 2 of the high glosses because I've been wanting to try them. I've been way more into glosses. Wow, I was just looking at the brush in there. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see. It's chunky looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some foundation. But you guys can see my natural brows, how they look. I definitely over plucked them in my youth and they're just kind of sparse. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this, I think I'm gonna start with the gel and the spoolie, and then try to use the pencil for hair-like strokes to fill in the fronts of my brows and maybe outline the bottom, and then fill in with the pomade. We're gonna give that a go. That way I can test both products and hopefully not waste my money. I've always been overly obsessed with hair, and I'm sure that stems from having the trichotillomania, which I have briefly mentioned before on my channel a long time ago. But it's just a OCD kind of condition where you're kind of obsessed with pulling your hair out. And so I've always been obsessed with brows and everything and over plucking because it felt good to pull it out, in addition to just bad examples for what a brow should be back then. I really wish that the thick eyebrow movement would have happened, and maybe my eyebrows wouldn't be the way they are today. Okay, so I'm just trying to do flick to fill in as if it was hair. I don't know how good I'm doing. I usually just use pomades. I've never used a stick like this. I think I'm doing okay. This one's starting to match this one a little bit more. It doesn't help that they're not very tweezed right now either, but I've been trying to avoid tweezing them as much to see if I can try and get some hair growth back, because like about a month ago I pulled all of the hair out again, and so I had no eyebrows. Now, I never use brow gel really. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to use it. Is it just supposed to keep your hair in place? That might be more of a product for like someone with actual eyebrow hair. So I got the gel on, and honestly I would totally wear just like this on a no makeup day, just where you're either bumming around the house but you want to wear a little bit of something, or if I'm running to like the grocery store or something, I could totally just do this. I love all the packaging, by the way. This like baby pink, powder pink, so cute. This is so hard to show on camera because I'm horrible, but I'm gonna just line the edge of this brush and see if I can like carve out an actual brow here. Okay. It's a little bit hard. I don't know how pigmented stuff's gonna come out. That's pretty lined. Go for the top too. Try and blend that upward. I am liking how easily it's going on. This is my favorite brow, so let's hope I don't mess it up. What I am noticing is if I grab a little too much of the pigment, it catches on my eyebrow hair, so it doesn't like really do a clean line, and I'm having to like kind of mess with it a bit to get it off of the hairs. Oh, messed up a little bit. Okay, what I'm learning is that I suck at doing eyebrows. Oh god. Yeah, this is a bit warm toned, but it's gonna have to do because I spent a bajillion dollars on it. Okay, I think I feel immensely better having tweezed. Which, I just want to leave my eyebrows alone, but I feel like these are looking a whole lot better than what I normally do, which isn't saying much because, like I said, this is all like regrowth, so they've been looking kind of beat lately, but I think I like the products. I wasn't expecting to like this like brow duo and the gel as much as I did. This I'll definitely be using more for like the natural brow look because I've been kind of lightening up on my makeup. Why do you do this? I don't understand why you refocus. I've been lightening up a bit on my makeup and like going for more bleh looks. Bleh. Not as heavy on the eye makeup and stuff. But that being said, let's throw one of these glosses on too. I think I'm gonna go with the like pinkish toned one, clear with a K. Give her a shot. Oh, she thick. Oh god. Okay, I've never tried any of these high glosses before. I hear good things though. Smells good. Smells like her liquid lipsticks. See, this is more of my go-to look lately. It's just like eyebrows, mascara, and like lip gloss. Just to make it a more natural, not really look. Alright guys, I think that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to give a new brow product a try because like I said, I haven't changed up my brow routine in like years, like at least 3 or 4 years, so this is a little bit step out for me, but I think it turned out pretty good, considering I have totally sparse, horrible eyebrows. So thank you so much for watching. I was gonna say walking. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you liked this video or like me at all in any capacity, go ahead and leave this video a like and subscribe to my channel. My upload schedule is all over the place, and there is no schedule, so you might want to hit notifications just so you know when I upload, because I don't even know when I'm going to upload. It's all a mystery to all of us. That being said, though, I have a couple of hair related videos coming up. I'm going to be talking about moisture overload in my hair and how I got over that. And then I'm also going to be dyeing my hair a completely different color. So stay tuned for those, and if you want to see those, hit those notifications, because girl, I don't know when that's gonna happen. All right guys, thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.